Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have found something fun and beautiful and just the right vibe for my teenage daughter's room. It's this amazing cloud light from ViLSOM. I love how easy this was to set up. It came nicely packaged with everything you could possibly need to hang it. And when you open the package, you just fluff your cloud to the design that you like best, plug it in, and it's ready to go. This amazing light has a built-in microphone and can change color according to the beat of your music, which would make it so much fun to have at a party. You can also link it to your cell phone or use the remote control to adjust the color, switch the mode, set a timer to automatically turn on and off, or adjust the brightness. There are so many different modes to choose from, whether you're trying to put your little one to sleep or having a dance party with all your friends or by yourself, no judgments. You are going to find a mode to match your activity. I love the bright colors, and who doesn't love staring at a beautiful fluffy white cloud, even when it's turned off? My family absolutely loves this cloud light and all of the fun and beauty that it brings to the room. I think you're going to love it too. And that's my point of view.